tropical storm is here in western North Carolina. This is the strongest winds I've seen since Hugo 31 years ago, which came in on my 19th birthday, September 21st, 1989. Power's been out a bunch of times here. And Hugo was still a Category 1 when it got here. Blown the bird feeder down. This storm has. Hugo was still a Category 1 with 90-mile-an-hour sustained winds when it got to Hickory Airport. But these winds actually woke me up. Like I said, it's the highest winds I remember seeing since Hugo. Apparently, this blew in as a hurricane in Louisiana yesterday, and it moved to North Carolina really quick overnight. It moved all the way to North Carolina. Come on, baby. Lady says, when you gotta go, you gotta go. Tropical storm or no tropical storm. Got limbs down, of course. Quite a few limbs down. Trump flags all furled up. There's a nice gust. I thought this was supposed to blow out of here by 8, but it's 10 now, or a little after 10 now. And it's still howling up a storm. I was driving up in the mountains the other day, up around Grandfather Mountain on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and there was still up at the higher elevations, like on Grandfather, most of the leaves are gone. But around 3,000 or 4,000 feet, like on the Parkway and on Jonas Ridge, on 181, there was still a lot of leaves left. But I bet you can count all of them gone now after this hurricane/tropical storm. It's interesting. This is the first time. Now, we got a lot of rain off of Gulf Coast hurricanes, but this is the first time I remember actually getting any wind off of a hurricane that hit the Gulf Coast. Excuse me. We get a lot of it off of, hurricanes that hit the Carolina coast. Oh, my neighbor Conley's got a tree down over there, split in half, it looks like. But But yeah, I mean, every summer we get some, breezes off of hurricanes that hit the Carolinas. But this is the first time I've ever seen wind off of a Gulf Coast hurricane here in North Carolina. I mean, let me put it this way. When I was trucking, I would barely get into Louisiana before my 11 hours ran out. So Louisiana is at least 600 or more miles from here. Anyway, y'all stay safe out there. This is Little Drummer Boy reporting live in the tropical storm. I can't remember the name of it just yet, but it's definitely a tropical storm. When I told people there was a tropical storm warning yesterday, some people put the laughing icon. I'm like, yeah, you wait and see. I bet they're not laughing now, especially if they're without power. But yeah, y'all stay safe out there. Little Drummer Boy reporting live in a tropical storm rolling through western North Carolina, Catawba County, Claremont, Catfish to be exact. And if y'all like my content, please share, hit the subscribe button, like, and hit the bell icon on the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload new material. Be safe. Love y'all. Bye.